If LDPlayer feels slow or laggy, allocating more RAM and CPU can significantly improve performance. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to allocate more RAM and CPU to LDPlayer step by step in 2026. First, make sure LDPlayer is closed completely. If it is running in the background, open Task Manager and end all LDPlayer-related processes. Next, open LDPlayer again and go to the ** settings * menu from the side panel or main interface. Now click on the ** performance * tab. This is where you can control how much of your computer's resources LDPlayer is allowed to use. You will see options for CPU cores and RAM allocation. Increase the CPU cores based on your processor capacity. For example, if you have a quad-core CPU, you can allocate 2 or 3 cores for better performance. Next, adjust the RAM slider. If your PC has enough memory, increase it to improve multitasking and gaming performance. Avoid assigning all your RAM so Windows can still run smoothly. After making changes, click *save * or apply * to confirm the new settings. Now restart LDPlayer so the new CPU and RAM allocation takes effect properly. Once it restarts, open a game or app and check if performance has improved. If LDPlayer becomes unstable, reduce the RAM or CPU slightly, as overallocation can sometimes cause lag or crashes. Finally, for best results, also make sure Virtualization (VT) is enabled and background apps are closed while using LDPlayer. And that's how to allocate more RAM and CPU to LDPlayer. Yeah, with the right balance of resources, LDPlayer runs smoother, faster, and more stable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.